Hi, I am Yogesh Gotel. Today's non-technical point is corruption in India. Now, society has prevailed from time immemorial in one form or the other. The basic inception of corruption started with our uh, opportunistic leaders who have already done greater damage to our nation. People who work on right principles are unrecognized and considered to be foolish in the modern society. Corruption in India, it is a result of a connection between bureaucrats, politicians, and criminals. Earlier, brevees were paid uh, for getting wrong things done, but now bribe is paid for getting right things done at right time. Further, corruption has become something respectable in India because respectable people are involved in it. Social corruption like less weighing of products, adulteration in edible items, and bribery of various kinds have insatiability prevalent in the society. In today's scenario, if a person wants a government job, he has to pay lakh of rupees to the higher officials, irrespective of satisfying all the eligibility criteria. Now, in every office, one has either to give money the employee concerned or arrange for some sources to get work done. This is adulteration and duplicate weighing of products in food and civil supplies department by unscrupulous workers who cheats the consumers by playing with the health and lives of the people. In the assessment of property tax, the officers charge money even if the houses is built properly according to the government rule and regulation. Now, political corruption is worst in India. The major causes of corruption in the corruption is weakening the political body and damaging the supreme importance of the law governing the society. Nowadays, politics is one of the criminals, and criminals are meant to be in a politics. Election in many parts of the country have become associated with a host of criminal activities, threatening voters to vote for particular candidates or physically prevent voters from going into the polling booth, especially weaker section of the society like tribal, Dalits, and rural women occurs frequently in several parts of the country. Now, recently, the government increased the salary of the uh, MPs from the 16 to 15 in 30% 100 increase to the exiting salary, but many of them are unhappy with rise and want to the government to increase the salary of much more extent. This clearly shows how the politicians are in constant thrust for monetary benefits and not caring about the welfare of the people. Tax evaluation is one of the most popular forms of corruption. It is mostly practiced by government officials and politicians who leads to the accumulation of black money, which is turn spoiled the moral of the people. Now, now the corruption in India is worst and very efficiently increase in the nowadays. The politician, the government servant, they are the responsible for the high corruption in India. They work is not properly get money in black money to the every single work. That's why the India is most corrupted survey. Thank you.